Sharon, what are some suggestions you have for caring for an older child while you're breastfeeding an infant? Because it is a time-consuming proposition that you take up.
Absolutely. Breastfeeding the baby really is kind of mom's priority, but she still has older children in some cases. Many moms find that having a basket of toys that the older children can play with only while the baby is nursing is a nice technique, because it keeps those toys kind of new and something special. And the older children may not resent the time that mom is spending with the baby. Keeping the children in the same room with you and playing with those toys is also helpful. I remember feeling some dismay nursing a new baby and feeling like my toddler was in another part of the house, taking it apart one piece at a time. We want to try and prevent those things because we still have that responsibility to keep a toddler safe.
Right, right. So really kind of planning ahead can be a help.
Right. And doing things that make the older toddler or older children still feel special. Maybe they can cuddle in the chair next to you and you can read a story to them so they don't feel like you're only focused on the baby.
I know for me, one thing that I really loved was, as I had more and more children, is that we could talk about what was happening with the baby. Like, look, her hair is growing, or look at her toes are getting so big. And it was kind of focusing on the baby, but in a way that the toddler was really exploring and learning new things. That was always fun.
Oh, absolutely. I think bringing them into the relationship somewhat is very important so they don't feel excluded. I have a thought, it just left me. And it was a good one, too.
That always happens to me.
Okay, we were talking about
the basket of toys.
Another thing that can be helpful is just sharing stories about the toddler. Telling them, when I nursed your baby sister, I remember what it was like to nurse you.
Oh, yes. They love that.
Making them feel special.
Great suggestion.